Number 1. 1956 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $7,000, High Point, North Carolina. The 1956 Harley-Davidson Panhead remains one of the most legendary American motorcycles ever built, celebrated for its timeless V-twin design and lasting influence on custom chopper culture. Original Panhead components continue to be highly sought after by builders and collectors who appreciate authentic vintage Harley craftsmanship. This listing offers a variety of classic chopper parts from a 1956 FL project, including Springer front ends, Wassel tanks, custom seats, sissy bars, and chrome exhaust components. While the engine comes without papers, the collection features many desirable vintage pieces for restoration or custom builds. For Panhead enthusiasts, this is an excellent opportunity to source hard-to-find classic Harley parts.
Number 2. 1978 BMW R80/7, $2,250, Tallahassee, Florida. The 1978 BMW R80/7 is a classic air-cooled boxer known for its smooth performance, dependable engineering, and comfortable touring ability. These vintage BMW airheads continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their durability, timeless styling, and strong support within the classic motorcycle community. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs strong and comes with a clean title, original Krauser saddlebags, a new Dyna 3 ignition, and numerous maintenance supplies and spare parts. The fuel tank resealing project is partially completed, with all necessary materials included to finish the job. For buyers looking for a well-equipped vintage BMW with only minor finishing work remaining, this R80/7 offers excellent value.
Number 3. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100, $3,500, Weldon Spring, Missouri. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 carried forward Kawasaki's reputation for building powerful inline-4 motorcycles with impressive performance and long-distance comfort. Its strong engine, stable handling, and touring capability continue to make the KZ1100 a respected choice among fans of classic Japanese motorcycles. The seller describes this bike as fast, comfortable, and surprisingly agile for its size. It also features many fresh replacement parts, new tires, and a clean Missouri title, making it ready for the road. For riders seeking a capable vintage sport touring machine, this KZ1100 is a solid option.
Number 4. 1973 Triumph 500 Bobber, $4,000, Moncks Corner, South Carolina. The 1973 Triumph showcases the timeless appeal of classic British twins, a platform that has inspired custom builders for decades. Bobber conversions built around vintage Triumphs remain especially popular for their lightweight design, distinctive styling, and unmistakable old-school character. This motorcycle has been completely custom-built, with the seller reporting more than $5,000 invested in new parts, along with countless hours of labor. A clean South Carolina title is included, and the bike is also available for trade towards something of equal value. For enthusiasts looking for a handcrafted British bobber, this Triumph offers plenty of unique personality. Number 5. 1978 Honda Goldwing, $1,500, Uniontown, Ohio. The 1978 Honda Goldwing helped redefine long-distance touring with its smooth flat-4 engine, dependable reliability, and comfortable riding experience. Early Goldwings remain popular among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts who appreciate Honda's reputation for engineering and durability. The seller reports extensive recent maintenance, including rebuilt brakes, carburetors, starter clutch, and new tires, cables, fuel pump, battery, air filter, and fuel filter. With many key service items already completed, this classic Goldwing offers an affordable entry into vintage touring. For buyers seeking a well-maintained project or weekend cruiser, it presents a very appealing value. Number 6. 1958 Indian Chief Trailblazer, $3,500, Southgate, Michigan. The 1958 Indian Chief Trailblazer represents an interesting chapter in American motorcycle history, combining classic styling with the enduring appeal of the Indian name. Vintage Indian models from this era continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate their rarity, distinctive character, and restoration potential. According to the seller, the bike runs and rides but still needs a few finishing touches, including an alternator, rear wheel spokes, and seat work. The engine operates on a magneto ignition, allowing it to run without the alternator, while additional improvements are still underway. For buyers seeking a classic Indian project with plenty of promise, this Trailblazer offers a rewarding opportunity. Number 7. 1972 Yamaha LS2, $1,250, Heath, Ohio. The 1972 Yamaha LS2 Twin 100 is a lightweight two-stroke that reflects Yamaha's reputation for producing reliable and enjoyable small-displacement motorcycles. Its compact size, simple design, and vintage styling continue to make the LS2 a fun choice for collectors and riders alike. The seller notes that this titled motorcycle turns over and currently runs on one cylinder. Aside from rusty wheel spokes, the bike is described as being in very nice overall condition, making it a solid candidate for light restoration. For anyone looking for an affordable vintage Yamaha, this LS2 offers excellent potential. Number 8. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Chopper, $5,500, Lyman, South Carolina. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead remains a true icon of American chopper culture, admired for its unmistakable V-twin character and endless customization possibilities. Hardtail shovelheads continue to be favorites among builders who appreciate traditional styling and authentic old-school craftsmanship. This project has already been sandblasted and prepared for paint, with the seller including a rebuilt engine, 5-speed transmission, electric start, foot clutch, hand shift, and many new parts. A clear title for the Shovelhead engine is also included, making it an excellent foundation for completing a custom build. For Harley enthusiasts, this chopper offers plenty of classic appeal. Number 9. 1972 Yamaha R5 350, $3,500. Goose Creek, South Carolina. The 1972 Yamaha R5 350 is one of Yamaha's most respected two-stroke street motorcycles, known for its lively performance and lightweight handling. As the predecessor to the legendary RD series, the R5 continues to enjoy strong interest among collectors and vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs and rides very well after being acquired in a trade. It also features new tires, a new chain and sprockets, and a spotless fuel tank, suggesting it has been well cared for. For buyers searching for a classic two-stroke that's ready to enjoy, this Yamaha is an attractive option.
Start record.
Number 10. 1968 Triumph Bonneville 650, $6,500, Lambertville, Michigan. The 1968 Triumph Bonneville 650 remains one of the most celebrated British motorcycles ever produced, admired for its responsive parallel twin engine and timeless styling. Matching numbers examples continue to be especially desirable among enthusiasts who value originality and classic British engineering.
The seller reports that this Bonneville features matching engine and frame numbers, a title in hand, and a strong running engine that typically starts on the first or second kick. Its well-preserved condition makes it an appealing choice for both collectors and weekend riders. For anyone looking to own an authentic vintage Triumph, this Bonneville is well worth a closer look. Number 11. 1975 Honda CB554, $4,000, Snellville, Georgia. The 1975 Honda CB554 is a well-balanced classic that helped build Honda's reputation for smooth performance, dependable reliability, and everyday practicality. Its four-cylinder engine, timeless styling, and easy rideability continue to make the CB550 a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller describes the motorcycle as being in near-new cosmetic condition with no dents. It will need a new battery, fuel line, and ignition repair after the key broke inside, but is otherwise said to be in excellent shape. For buyers looking for a classic Honda with only a few straightforward repairs, this CB550 offers plenty of appeal. Number 12. 1977 BMW R100/7, $6,000, Henderson, Kentucky. The 1977 BMW R100/7 is one of BMW's most respected airhead models, admired for its smooth boxer engine, durable construction, and comfortable touring capability. These classic motorcycles continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate timeless engineering and dependable long-distance performance. According to the seller, this R100/7 has been extensively restored, with new tires, rebuilt carburetors, refreshed suspension, new brakes, fresh paint, and many additional mechanical upgrades. A clean Kentucky title completes the package, making it ready for its next owner. For anyone seeking a beautifully refreshed vintage BMW, this R100/7 is an excellent choice. Number 13. 1974 Suzuki GT250 Ram Air, $3,000, Columbus, Indiana. The 1974 Suzuki GT250 Ram Air is a classic two-stroke twin that earned a reputation for lively performance and everyday reliability. Its distinctive styling, responsive engine, and lightweight handling continue to make the GT250 a popular choice among fans of vintage Japanese motorcycles. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs, rides, shifts, and stops very well, with professionally rebuilt carburetors and easy starting. Featuring its original styling and normal patina for its age, this GT250 is presented as a clean rider-quality example. For enthusiasts looking for a well-sorted vintage Suzuki, this one is ready to be enjoyed. Number 14. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $6,250, Leesburg, Virginia. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLCH reflects the classic spirit of old-school chopper culture, combining the rugged personality of the iron-head engine with timeless custom styling. These vintage Sportsters remain popular thanks to their mechanical simplicity and endless customization possibilities. This fully rebuilt chopper was assembled using quality parts and is described as running very well. The seller notes that it features a traditional bare-bones setup, includes extra parts, and comes with a clean title. For riders looking to step into the world of vintage choppers, this Sportster offers authentic style and classic Harley character.
Number 15. 1981 Yamaha XS 1100, $900, Smyrna, Georgia. The 1981 Yamaha XS 1100 is one of the most powerful Japanese motorcycles of its era, respected for its smooth inline-4 engine, impressive performance, and long-distance comfort. Even today, the XS 1100 remains a favorite among enthusiasts looking for a capable vintage touring machine. This project features Mikuni flat-slide carburetors and upgraded Dyna ignition coils, with the engine already running and idling after recent work. The seller notes that the fuel petcocks need attention, the brakes drag, and the bike is being sold without a title, although ownership documentation is included. For buyers seeking an affordable restoration project, this XS 1100 offers strong potential.